Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy ShipBob for efficient dropshipping step by step clearly. To deploy ShipBob for efficient dropshipping, start by creating an account on the ShipBob website. Fill in the required information, such as your email address and business details. Verify your email to activate your account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the user interface. Click on the Products tab to add the items you want to dropship. Enter product details, including names, descriptions, and SKUs. Upload high-quality images for each product to enhance visibility. Set your pricing strategy for each item listed in your catalog. Next, integrate your e-commerce platform with ShipBob. Select the integration option on the dashboard and choose your platform from the list. Follow the prompts to connect your store, allowing ShipBob to sync your product information. After successful integration, create and assign shipping zones to streamline the fulfillment process. Go to the shipping section to configure shipping methods and rates according to your business needs. Set up your packaging preferences by selecting box sizes and materials for shipping. Now, it's time to add inventory to ShipBob's fulfillment centers. Navigate to the Inventory section and select Add Inventory. Choose your products and specify the quantities you want to send. Generate shipping labels for sending inventory from your location to ShipBob's fulfillment center. Ensure your products match the requirements for sending to the fulfillment center. Once your inventory arrives, monitor its status within the ShipBob dashboard. Review your product listings and ensure all details are correct. With inventory in place, you're ready to start processing orders. When a customer places an order, ShipBob will automatically receive the details. Track the order fulfillment process through the dashboard's Order Management section. ShipBob will handle packing and shipping, allowing you to focus on other aspects of your business. Regularly check analytics and reports to evaluate your dropshipping performance. Adjust your product offerings and shipping strategies based on sales data. Stay in contact with ShipBob's support team for assistance whenever needed. Utilizing these steps will help you deploy ShipBob effectively for your dropshipping needs. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.